Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting in Settings. Tap your name at the top to access Apple ID. Once there, open Find My and turn on Share My Location. This authorizes sharing. Make sure Find My iPhone is enabled so the device is recognized and that you're signed into the correct Apple ID. Also confirm you have Wi-Fi or cellular active. Without network access, your location won't update. Now that sharing is enabled, move to choosing who sees your location and for how long. Open the Find My app or a conversation in Messages with the person you want to share with. Tap Share My Location, then pick a contact. This lets you control visibility. Next, choose the duration, 1 hour until end of day or indefinitely. Each has clear use cases, so pick what fits. If you want your iPad or a different iPhone to be the source, select Use this device to switch the sharing device. Once set, the recipient will see live updates until you change the setting. Check the People tab in Find My to confirm who can see your location and what device is active. Make changes there if needed. To stop sharing, select the person and tap Stop Sharing, or change the duration if you prefer temporary visibility. Finally, if your location isn't updating, open Settings, right arrow Privacy, right arrow Location Services, and toggle it off and on. Then restart the iPhone. Make sure the device has network access and you're signed into iCloud. This fixes most sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.